Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is the also is a palette pocket. I use this palette pocket to create this little pocket, and it's a stick pin. Yeah, kit. Okay, so for this kit you will get all these resin roses. I can use this to make a stick pin. Also can use this to decorate your do anything you like, because this you got the hole, so you can use this to make a stick pin. Okay, so this is just a sample to show you. Okay, so for this kit you got all these 4 colors, roses, resin, roses here. Okay, so I use this image also the same to cover, and use the lace, the eyelet lace to glue together. Okay, and for this kit, and all the kit is the same, so I just show you one so you can see. Okay, this I just use to make to show you, and only got only the images is different. So you got this bit, this pin, so you can use this to make your stick pin. And I ordered this test tube bottle with the rosette trim, and all this I follow the color that inside the bottle, all in 15 pieces. Okay, so you got this, so you got 4 color. Okay, different color. So yeah, you can glue, also you can use make the stick pin. So yeah, just have 4. So you if you are interested, just leave a comment and please order under the comment. And yeah, just if you haven't joined me in my Facebook kit group, just join in, so you can you won't miss out any kit that I will post it in the group. So yeah, this is beautiful color. So yeah, they only have 4. So yeah, just I will post 4 different pictures. So if you like, just choose the image that you like. You just leave the comment below the picture, so yeah, you can get the image. And also you can decorate this. You can add the the lace to decorate this pocket. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and I will come back soon and to show you another kit. So yeah, and thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and just please feel free to leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit, and bye bye.